Hello everybody, I'm just going to do a quick little tutorial for you so that you can do your photos and refer back to this as often as you need. So I'm in the PLIC and here you'll have your project. When you go to download, just make sure that you choose PSPA formats. There's a bunch of formats to choose here, as you can see. And if you go all the way down, then you can do this one and hit download. So then from your download, you will see, I have a lot of different stuff here. You'll see where it comes. So I'll double click that and you want to hit extract all and then just hit extract. And that will download it in the correct space for you. You don't even have to think about it. So here it is extracted in my folder. This is how it comes because I downloaded it in the PSPA format. So it has all of the grades and then it has index files. If you double click on it, you'll see here's the index file and then here's all the images. So I'm going to go to Friesens now and show you how I go about flowing the portraits. Dave also has, if you go to help in Friesens, he's also made different videos of how to do it. So if I go here into build it and hit portraits up at the top and make sure you're in import. So let's see, I'm gonna just, these mine are already flown. I'm trying to think if I can, well, let's see what happens here. It doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna go to import. I'm gonna go to index file first, and here in my downloads from my extracted folder, I can double click my Maryvale folder. Here's my faculty. So I'm just gonna do the faculty one, and I'm gonna hit open, and I'm gonna click my index file. This is optional. I don't know if it matters that you redo the README file. I don't think it does, but I do it just in case. And then the image folder, hit downloads again, hit your Maryvale, and then you can hit the image that you need. And then you'll hit, thank you, David. Here, Monique. I'm in advisory right now. You'll hit faculty again, and you'll just hit upload. I'm not, let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna upload it, 50 images, and then you hit next. So here's where it allows you to track the data from the data file. This, what we need, it'll tell you what it needs. It needs the last name and first name, the image name, and the grade. So for instance, I know Kelly is gonna be a first name, so I'm gonna find it over here and hit first. Alonzo, I know, will be a last name, so I'll come over here and track it to last. This right here is the image name. It's the one that's labeled JPEG. So I'm gonna track it to image name right here. And then, what else does it need? Oh, the grade. So for me, the no data is the grade because it's my faculty. For you, it'll say 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus. And then you'll hit next. You can consent to use PicPerfect to enhance your images. And then you'll hit upload. And then it does the whole uploading of it. Here, as you can see, I'm gonna hit cancel because I don't actually need that. But then when you come over, you'll see that then it's uploaded here under faculty, 62 students. Then you can go to design, which is where you flow it. So if I go over here and go to design, it shows me that I already flew my pages. That's what they call the portrait flow. But you'll come over here. I know that in my ladder, we're using pages 6 and 7 for faculty. So I just want to come over here where it says, right here, validate. I want to put page 6 in here because I know I want it to go to 6 and 7. And then I'm pretty much going to then, until I get the pages that I need, I'm gonna mess with all of these other presets. So I know that I need pages 6 and 7. Or if, for instance, I need my seniors to be flown from pages, 20 to 47, I'll put 20 in here, and then I'll continue to hit fly or flow until it gets to the page that I need it to get to, if that makes sense. If not, you can message me. But essentially, you should know how much space you need your portraits to take up. And you can manage that by coming over here and then messing with all of these different indicators. So like the image size, you can make them bigger or smaller depending on your needs. You can change the spacing in between the lines. Like if you're doing senior quotes and you need a ton of space in between, then you can make this bigger or smaller depending on your needs. And then these right here, these would be like, it moves it down or up. Same here. It can move up, giving you more space on your borders and on your edges is what this right here is for. So the less space that you take up, the less pages you need, so on and so forth. So like our freshmen is our largest class. We keep those images really, really tight together, and we keep them small as well, because a lot of freshmen don't buy, there's my husband. A lot of freshmen don't buy the book, so we keep their portraits super tiny to save space for the seniors that we do senior quotes for. So then you'll hit, once you load them in and get them all to where you need, then you'll hit flow, and then you just keep redoing it until you get to the exact pages that you need to hit. And that's how I do it. And essentially, you just kind of keep going about it until you are done with all of your categories here. So 9, you hit design, you hit the pages that you need. Everything will be uploaded for you. And for instance, these are how tiny we go. Here's my margins. Image size 5x7, and then I know that we need pages 68, and then it will fly it, and we needed it to go to 79. So I just modified my margins and stuff until we were able to hit that page number. That should be it. If you have any questions, reach out, but hopefully you found this helpful. Have a good day.